When you're managing important files, copyright really matters. Canto has many options to help ensure copyright compliance, and in this lesson I'll teach you how to use one of them. Let's set the terms and conditions that a user will have to accept before they download a file. From the Canto Media Library, I'll click on a file to add the terms and conditions to. Click on the DRM bubble, and now you'll see several options to protect our files. Check out our separate video to learn more about watermarking. Let's focus on terms and conditions. To add terms and conditions, I'll click the pencil icon next to it. There are two great ways to add terms now. You can either paste in a URL where your terms and conditions are hosted, or you can simply paste them right into the box. Let me give you an example of each in this video. Here, I'll go ahead and paste in the terms that are on my clipboard. Now, I'll hit the check mark and close out of the file. These terms and conditions will show when a user of a portal tries to download the file. Let's jump over to a portal where the image is already shared with a client. When I click download on it, you'll notice that the download button is grayed out. The user needs to read the terms and conditions first by clicking on it. Now, they can check the box below the thumbnail and the download button unlocks. Let's also show an example of how to use it with terms and conditions hosted online. Let's jump back to where I already have another file opened, and now I'll paste in a link where my terms and conditions are hosted. If your terms are already online and you know that you'll use them for many of your files, I think this is a great way to do it. This time, I'll just paste in the URL to that page and then I'll go ahead and save it. Let's jump over to a client portal again. I'll click on a file to open it up. This time, when I click on the terms and conditions, a new tab opens up for the viewer to review them. They still need to come back and check the box that they've reviewed. Once again, the download box unlocks and the file can be downloaded. Turning on terms and conditions can help ensure that those who access your files through portals will agree to how they should be used. This can provide valuable protection for you and your client's files. Thanks for watching.